Hi friends, let's talk about how to link TradeKing with Binance API. Let's firstly open TradeKing's application. On opening application, firstly you have to click on Link API option. After that you have to click on Binance option. On clicking Binance option, API key and secret key box will display on your screen. Now you have to enter API key and secret key. Let's firstly generate API in Binance application. In Binance application, you have to click on More option. On scrolling your screen down, you have to click on API Management option. On clicking API Management option, Create API page will display on your screen. Here we have to generate label of API. You can keep any word or name as label. After that, you have to click on Create API. For security verification, in phone verification code, you have to click on Get Code. Now enter the code that you have received on your mobile number. After that, in email verification code, you have to click on Get Code. Now enter the email verification code that you have received on your email ID. In Authenticator code, you have to enter your Google Binance Authenticator 6-digit code. After that, you have to click on Submit button. Your API is generated. Now you have to copy your secret key. Now enter your copied secret key in TradeKing's application. After pasting your secret key in Binance application, firstly you have to click on Edit option. On scrolling your screen down, you have to check Enable Spot and Margin Trading. Without enabling this option, your API will not work. To restrict the access of your API, you have to check Restrict Access to Trusted IPs only. Here you have to enter the IP address of TradeKing server. Now copy the IP address given in TradeKing's application. Now paste your copied IP address and click on Confirm. Now enter another IP address and click on Confirm. After that, you have to click on Save button. For security verification, in Authenticator code, you have to enter your Google Binance Authenticator 6-digit code. Now copy your API key. Now enter your copied API key in TradeKing's application. After that, click on Send code. Now enter the verification code that you have received on your email ID.